Monday, and it's time for us to talk technology with our tech expert, Luis Alvarez, CEO of the Alvarez Technology Group. Luis, welcome back to the program.
Thank you, Mark. How are you today?
Doing pretty good. It's Memorial Day, and I hope folks are flying their U.S. flags in remembrance of our servicemen and women who gave, as Abraham Lincoln said, the very last measure of full devotion.
Exactly. As a vet, Memorial Day has a special place in my heart, and hopefully folks will stop and reflect a little bit today and not just enjoy a lot of barbecue.
Right. And by the way, just a word of advice. We don't thank veterans for their service on Memorial Day. You thank veterans for their service on Veterans Day or any other time of the year, but Memorial Day is the day that we remember the fallen.
Exactly.
And I think a lot of people are, especially since so few people are veterans anymore, or haven't had military service, they don't understand the distinction, but there really is a big distinction.
Yeah, absolutely.
We've got to jump onto this topic here that's really, really interesting. Scam apps out to steal your money and personal info. What's happening?
Well, people don't realize it, but every year, Apple and Google get millions of app submissions. That is, people create apps and submit it for approval so that they can be in the Apple Store and the Play Store. And several million of those get rejected every year because they have some element that violates whatever the use policy is for Apple and Google. And Apple's, of course, much more strict than Google, but nevertheless, some of those apps get through because they're sneaky in the way that they work. And a lot of these apps are infected with malware. They're designed to steal your information and upload it to some site, or worse, they're designed so that you purchase them and unbeknownst to you, they start charging you more than you originally thought it was going to be charged, and you're not really paying attention to your bill. But before you know it, you're getting charged, $6 to $10 a month forever for an app that you rarely use.
Right.
So
now,
you have to be really careful about it. And always check the apps that you have on your phone. I know I like to do a little audit every few months where I'll just scroll through all the apps that I have on my phone and say, well, I don't use this one anymore. This isn't something that I need to have on my phone anymore, and I remove it. So even apps that you download for one purpose, maybe you're traveling and you need an app for the country that you happen to be in, make sure you get rid of it after you're not using it anymore.
All right. That's Luis Alvarez, CEO of the Alvarez Technology Group, alvareztg.com on the web, and at AlvarezTG is their Twitter handle. And Luis, the toll-free number for the I-Team.
Give us a call at 866-78-I-Team. That's 866-784-8326.